Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.